this. This is, can I say I probably can't say Refinery29. Got it. Hi, my name is Monét X Change from RuPaul's Drag Race, and we're here in my wig closet. Now listen, before I show you my wigs and you get all up in my gig, don't forget to subscribe below. It's important. Wigs are very important to any drag persona because a wig has a lot of character. A wig is what type of diva that you're gonna be that day. I normally start with the hair and then I figure out what the rest of the outfit's gonna be because a wig can make or break a look. Now look at this good time girl. I like to call her Shatirica. She was your RA, freshman and sophomore year in college, but she would not write you up if she caught you. You know what I mean? She was a cool down chick. Lots of girls don't wear natural hair in drag, and I'm like, I love it. I think natural hair is beautiful. So I have lots of natural variations. Look at this top knot. Isn't it ridiculous? Bad to knots, girl. When I have this on my head, you cannot tell me it is not sprouting from my scalp, okay? This is giving you Jada Pinkett in the Matrix, Niobe realness. This is Courtney, or Ashley, or Kelsey, or Mary Kate. See this like messy little top knot bun mom. I put this on when she wants to feel fun and frilly. I'm gonna have cocktails with the girls. If you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, you know what this wig is. This is my promo here for All Stars 4. I wanted to do something fun, something that I thought that no one else would do. And I'm very, 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 very inspired by Grace Jones. I think that Grace Jones is a style icon in every sense of the word. My wig guy, Domino Couture, can literally create any hair. And we got this icy pompadour fantasy. Like, I'm obsessed. If I had to look at this wall of wigs, you can send a couple of your kids to college looking at this, with all this hair up in here. Hair up in here. Oh my God, I'm gonna start a series, hair up in here. Thank you, Refinery. Yeah, if you're looking at this wall, you're looking at someone's tuition. I would guesstimate $15,000. My most expensive wig to date is $1,500. It is a full lace human hair moment, and it's about 60 inches long. Let's just give me a little share. Let's give you a little scissor. RuPaul Andre Charles on season 10 came at for wearing pussycat wigs. And pussycat wigs, or as some people call them, bus driver wigs, are typically very short wigs. You can just pull it out your purse and it looks the same and it's fine every time. I have a slew of bus driver wigs and I love them, giving you the Nene Leakes fantasy. Look at this, girl. This is glam, honey. I don't know how I look, but I know I look fierce. So this is the wig I'm gonna be putting on today when I have my final beauty glam look for you. So I went to this drag competition called Cattle Call in New York City at Therapy Bar, hosted by Peppermint. And you had to be in drag for this thing. So I went down to Mac, got me a cold liner and a Ruby Woo lipstick, girl, and you cannot tell me I was not the prettiest. I was like, oh, this was actually really fun, and the one thing led to another. I started going out more, I started doing more competitions, and I started working a lot in New York City. You know what, surprisingly, my first wig ever in drag was actually a pretty good one, and I had no idea what I was doing. But it was this like nice lace front. Now I looked a mess, but the wig was fierce. And after I like learned more about drag, I like added some tracks in, because I mean it was pretty bald headed. Now for the children at home, before you want to start investing in wigs, know this. They are expensive, okay? Especially for drag queens, lots of drag hair is custom. I've had lots of strong, powerful women in my life. So that's what my drag is very inspired by. I perform pieces that speak to women's empowerment often. I feel the need to, again, to not just wear long, silky, straight hair. That's so boring. It's so vanilla. I like to do natural hair. I like to do things to show the beautiful kaleidoscope that all different women have. Some women have kinky hair, some women have curly hair, straight hair. I like to do every single type of hair and make it look pretty. That is what my drag is really inspired by, because that's what I saw growing up. To me, that's what makes my drag, I think, special. RuPaul's Drag Race has become this very amazing and beautiful show, and it's becoming very prominent in pop culture. There are so many people of color, queer people of color, getting their stories told through RuPaul's Drag Race. Being a drag queen of color has definitely presented its challenges to me. I've been called everything in the book for no good reason. People shaming me for wearing afros, shaming me for wearing braids and box braids. And I'm like, those are beautiful hairstyles. Black women have definitely been instrumental in injecting bigotry into pop culture. Growing up in America, I was not proud to be black because I was taught through TV and through magazines and through all that stuff that being black was not something that was fierce. Not until my early 20s when I left college. It was weird. I just woke up one day, I was like, being black is everything. I love waking up, looking in the mirror, seeing my skin. It was just an epiphany I had one day. So that's why in my drag, I strive to do that so much. By wearing lots of African prints and wearing natural hair and just doing things to accentuate the black experience and how that has changed my life and how it has made me a much more informed adult and a human being. What I want people to take away from the Monét X Change experience is how proud and how unapologetically myself and black that I am. Hey, Refinery29 peoples, comment below and let us know what you want to see next. If you want some more Refinery29 content, subscribe up here. If you want to see the next video, click down here.